my name is Helen and a warm welcome to my channel. I wanted to have a go at making a dried flower wreath. I thought a kit would be the best to start with. After searching online for a UK company, I found Shropshire Petals. But please note, this is not a sponsored video, it's just for me. But I thought that I would share it with you. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Oh, it's got some writing here. Put my glasses on so I can see it. So it says, thanks for supporting what we do. We hope you love what's inside. And there's another bit here. We are always looking for ways to reduce our impact on the environment. This box is made from recycled card. We've even used plant-based inks. Please recycle this to keep up the good work. Well, that's good. I didn't know that when I purchased this from the company, so pleased with it. We've got an instruction manual. Wire wreath. Wire. Oh. Lots of raffia. I'm glad I put a cloth down because I thought this might be a bit messy. Oh, lovely wheat. Nice presentation, I think, with the flowers wrapped in paper. It does protect them. Oh, you can hear the seeds rattling inside there. Sort of purple flowers. White or creamy sort of colour. Oh, these are lovely. Fluffy ones. Look like little rabbit tails. Beautiful. Oh, 3 red roses. Anything else? Oh. And this is just a care card for the flowers. That's it. So let's have a look at the instructions. So it's saying to lay everything out on a flat surface and then divide the wheat into small equal bunches and the dried flowers into bunches and trim everything down to 15 centimetres in length. So I'll do that and I'll come back because I don't think you want to see me doing lots of cutting. I've divided up all of the wheat and the flowers into small bunches so it's easy for me to put around the wreath. The wire is now attached to the frame and I put the wire around a piece of cardboard because it was getting a bit tangled up, so it's much easier to work with it this way. Starting at the top, this will be the beginning and the end of the wreath. So I'm just going to pick up a bunch of wheat and flowers, and sometimes they've got a really thin stalk on the flowers, so I'm going to try and just bury them in the wheat, and when the wire comes round it won't break them off. And then it's just a case of putting the bunches all the way around and just putting them in at a slight angle. So you're just basically overlapping on the wire as you go round. So every so often I like to stop and have a look at it from the front. I also think it's really helpful if you put it against something that it might be hanging against, and then you can really get a good idea of what it's going to look like. So I'm lifting this up and placing this as best I can, and then bringing the wire around. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit so that you can get it in the right place. I think that's looking okay. Ta-da! How lovely is the completed wreath with its natural colours and texture. I think it would complement any room in the house, and I'm really, really pleased with it. Please subscribe to my channel for more creative things, share, give it a thumbs up and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. See you soon. Bye!